Hey everyone, this is Matthew. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Monday, November 24th, 2025, and this is your Daily Nasdaq Futures Recap, the show where we break down every move, every catalyst, and of course, every single trade. Our algorithm fired off throughout the session. Let's jump right into it. Market news. A light economic calendar to start Thanksgiving week. At 10:30 a.m., Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index. At 11:30 a.m., 3-month and 6-month Treasury bill auctions. Not a heavy data day, but enough to move markets around the edges. Overnight session. The futures opened at 6 p.m., and right out of the gate, the Nasdaq exploded higher, jumping more than 100 points above Friday's close. Our robot immediately seized the momentum and entered a long position. Unrealized profit reached $150. But as soon as the Asian markets opened, sentiment shifted, liquidity thinned, sellers stepped in, and Nasdaq rolled over. Our robot cut the long for a controlled loss of $194 and flipped short right away to catch the downside. A tough but disciplined start to the evening. Morning session. In the morning, as Europe market opened, Nasdaq jumped up. Our robot entered a long position. Our long position now carried over $162 unrealized profit. At 8:30 a.m., no major U.S. data hit the tape. Very quiet pre-market. Nasdaq edged higher. But when the bell rang at 9:30 a.m., buyers showed up in force. Nasdaq pushed higher, and Tesla made a run toward 420, helping lift sentiment across tech. As momentum shifted, our robot was still carrying the long position, riding the early strength. Unrealized profit reached $308. Meanwhile, our AMD trade was the star of the morning. A strong execution, and a solid $813 net profit. At 10:30 a.m., the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index came in at minus 10.4, sharply lower than the prior, minus 5.0, and the market dipped on the weak print. But just as quickly, buyers stepped back in and reversed the move. Our robot took advantage with a couple of fast scalps. Now realized gains reached $198 on the Nasdaq E-micro. Afternoon session. The afternoon was calm. Nasdaq made an attempt at the big 25,000 level, but the breakout failed. Into the final minutes, we saw some profit taking, and Nasdaq slipped slightly, closing around 24,960. After hours, no major tech earnings after the bell, so the market wrapped up quietly, and our trading day came to an end. Final tally, $198 profit trading the Nasdaq E-micro, and $813 profit on AMD, for a combined $1,011 green Monday. Not bad at all. Summary. A strong start to the week. Tech stocks bounced back after last week's pullback. Tesla up 7%. And our algorithm navigated the volatility well, booking over $1,000 in profit, trading just one micro Nasdaq contract and 100 shares of AMD. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Futures Recap.